Hey guys, Ivy Herren Jr. here with Herren Tire West, formerly known as
Brokenspoke.
That's right. And I'm here with
Jacob Pillow.
And guys, what we're doing right now is we're here to give you the deals that will give you chills. Hey, come check out these deals real quick. Guys, we got all kinds of deals. These tires right here, I got multiple sizes. $99 a tire. Guys, 225, 75, 15 trailer tire, Travel Stars, $99. 215, 60, 16 Ironmans, $99. 225, oh, more 225, 75, 15s, $99. Jacob, what's the price on those?
$99 a tire.
$99 a tire. Those are 225, 60, 16s. We got 205, 60, 16s, 215, 55, 17s. More 225, 60, 17s, 225, 65, 17s. And guess what? They're $99. Talk about deals that will give you chills. Jacob, what do you think about them deals?
Man, I don't think you can find a better deal anywhere else.
And where do you find those deals at?
300 Airport Road, Herren Tire West.
Herren Tire West. Come see us. Hey, and also, guys, keep in mind, servicing you the best from the east to the west here at Herren Tire Service.